How does termination of parental rights affect grandparent visitation? Have you ever wondered how the termination of parental rights impacts the ability of grandparents to visit their grandchildren? This topic is important for many families navigating the complexities of divorce and separation. Let's break it down in a straightforward way. When a parent's rights are legally terminated, it ends their relationship with the child, including any custody or visitation rights. However, this does not automatically mean that grandparent visitation rights are also terminated. In many situations, the law treats the termination of parental rights similarly to the death of a parent. If grandparents had court-ordered visitation rights before the termination, those rights may continue. Courts typically uphold these rights unless there is a compelling reason to revoke them, such as concerns about the child's welfare. If there were no prior court orders for grandparent visitation, the situation changes. Grandparents may need to file a new petition to establish visitation rights after the termination of parental rights. In these cases, they must show that visitation serves the best interest of the child. This can be a crucial step, especially when the legal relationship between the parent and child has been severed. It is also important to note who has the standing to seek visitation after parental rights have been terminated. Generally, only the parents of the parent whose rights were terminated can petition for visitation. For example, if the mother's rights are terminated, her parents, the maternal grandparents, may seek visitation. However, the paternal grandparents usually cannot unless there are other legal grounds. When courts make decisions about grandparent visitation, they prioritize the best interest of the child. Factors considered include the nature of the relationship between the grandparent and the child's emotional and physical needs, and the stability of the grandparent's home. If the child has been adopted following the termination, courts are often less likely to grant visitation rights to biological grandparents unless those rights were previously established. In the context of divorce and separation, grandparents can play a vital role in providing support and continuity for children. However, they may face legal hurdles to maintain or establish visitation rights, especially after a parent's rights have ended. Cooperation with the custodial parent or guardian and seeking legal advice can be essential for grandparents looking to protect their visitation rights. In summary, while the termination of parental rights does not automatically end grandparent visitation rights, it can create new challenges. Grandparents may need to take additional steps to secure their rights, and courts will always consider what is best for the child in these situations.